Oh, let me enable streaming mode real quick. And welcome back to another live stream. And yeah, I'm happy to be here. And we're going on with the True First Person project now. Yeah, I started working on today off stream, so I coded a little more, and I'm gonna show you this now. Wait a minute. Let me search for some free music. Alright. So, yeah. Welcome back to another live stream here. And today we're going we're working on the True First Person project. But first let me clear this. Yes. Alright. Okay, so let me save everything first. Okay, so it's pretty loud right now. Oh yeah, that's from my. Okay. Okay, so here's the True First Person project. It's with ALS, and as you can see, we have procedural weapon sway, and you can still see there are some bugs. And I hate this. I don't know. I'm gonna fix this later, but I have no idea how to fix it now. So we have ALS included, and oh, something's wrong right now. Oh yeah, that was this. Yeah. Okay, let me clear this real quick. That was just a test. Alright, so now you can see we have the ALS included. So every ALS animation works here. Jumping, and it's very nice. Can crouch, and yeah, but there are still some bugs. As you can see, when I look down, my hands are not at the same position, so when I move up, then they're in the right position again. I don't know. I have to fix this, of course. Then I have to fix the weapon sway, but the problem is right now the spine rotation. So I tried a little out with the spine rotation, but it's, I don't know, it's tricky. So for example, let me open up the skeleton here. When we look up with our spine, so this spine and this spine and this spine. Now we're looking up, and then we look to the left. So this spine, this spine, this spine. This should work, right? But somehow the rotation is weird, and I don't understand why. So here, the spine rotation, and when I look up, it's not. I don't understand. Yeah, but yeah, let's go on. So first let's enable the arm rotation again. So this and here. So now alright. Now our arms should also move down, but here you can see also a little problem that our left hand is not synced. Okay. It's also a problem. I don't know. And L. It has the same rotation, the same alpha. Maybe something with the upper arm. It's also using the same rotation. Okay, then let's start with a simple bug. I think this one. My weapon is not in the same position, only when I move up. So let's see. So we clamp this here -30. Oh, because of this, I think. -30. Has to be -30. And now not still. Okay, it's still not right. 20. Mm, 20. I don't see any problem, but there must be some problem. Oh, so for example, so let me show you something different. So I have the pitch here, and let me unplug that. I have the pitch here. Then I get my yaw, and it's basically in the same. It has the same code like the pitch here, but just for left and right. So, but for example here, my problem is when I turn is, yeah, I don't really understand, but I don't know. But when I use the aim angle from ALS, then it's working. So let me also use the Y maybe. Let's try this out. Divide by 3. Oh, okay. Divide by -3. And here we have the same problem. Okay, we got this problem because it isn't clamped, but and it's very snappy here, very jittery. when returning, basically. When returning on place. That's weird. Okay, So let's use this again. And I don't know how to fix this now, but I'll do it later. So as you can see, we got a lot of bugs right now, but I'm gonna fix these later. So how about, wait a minute. I think something's wrong with the join target point. Yeah, because it's set to 0. Okay. Then let me set it again. Alright. And then it should be in the right, yeah. Now it's in the right position again. Okay, so now how about we add a procedural walking animation. Okay, so let me think. Let's create a timeline. So let's add a new graph. Procedural graph. Then let's add a timeline. Walking timeline. We want a float track. Call it walking alpha. Oh no, the up and down. I think let's call it up and down. 1, and we say autoplay loop. Yeah. Then let's add some keys here. So I think the up down will be something like this, maybe. Right? This? No, then let's do like so. 0.5, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0.75 and 1, 0.25, 1. And then let's smooth it out. And let's try it out. So let's get a lerp. That is our alpha. Then let's add a value, the walking location, offset location. Let's set it here. And then we set the z to this value. And the value here will be, so a will be 0 and b will be let's get the speed. Do we have speed variable? No. Made new devlog this thing incredible. Alright, seen big progress. Oh yeah. Wait, is something. Oh yeah, yeah. Alright, let me see. Okay, the flashlight again. Okay, pretty big key. Another one. Dinosaurs hunting in this area. Oh yeah, you can see him. Wow, that looks cool, actually. Oh. That's pretty loud. But that's cool, the AI. Nice, nice. Nice project. So, then we get our velocity, vector length, multiply. So we will multiply our speed by 0.2. But no. So when my speed is pretty high, then he will bounce more up, right? Yeah. But that's not what I want. Okay, yeah. I know. Let's just set it to 2 maybe. Then let's get our timeline. Then we set the play rate. And we get our velocity again. Vector length. And then we just print it out to see my values. $375. Then let's multiply this. 375. And not multiply. Divide this. 375. And should be 1, right? Yeah. And I can't sprint right now, but should be then more than 1, a bit more. So now let's actually implement this variable here in our NM blueprint. So let's see in the update graph, let's get the walk-in offset location, like so. And then let's add another transform. So let me copy this here, this hand transform. Because there I can just move my hands like with an IK. No, not with this one, that's the wrong one. This one here. No, this one. The hand IK, the two bone IK, right? So with this, I can basically move my hands like in an AK, not AK, IK. And So like this, and they're actually parented to each other. So I can just move it around like I want without any location that I need. Okay. So let's modify this affected location. So let's split it. And let's say make location, make vector, make a vector down there. Okay. And let me get the walk-in offset. Oh, I really have to sort these and clean those variables here and put them into some categories. Let's split this, and right now I'm just setting the Z, so let's set the Z also here. Oh wait, let me check. I'll move the Z. Yeah, it's moving up. Okay, that's the right one. So let's try. That's looking horrible right now. I have to add some moving to the left and right. Let me watch in slow-mo. Alright. What the fuck, okay. That's looking pretty horrible. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so then let's add our left and right. So let's add another track. Left, right, alpha. And there will be up, down, no, up, down, up, up, down, up, then it has to start with down. Okay. Let's add some keys here. No. Like so, I think. Right. So it should loop perfectly. Okay, so then let's set this up. So let's get our another lerp, the alpha. Set this also to 2 just for testing. Let's create another variable. Walking. Oh no, we got the still red one, so let's Let's see which is the red X. So 3 moves back. Okay, so the Y is the right, it's the left and right. And 1 stop. Oh yeah, because. And the Y. It's looking horrible. Oh yeah, because I also forgot to smooth this out. And then let's change the value to 1 maybe. Then let's change this to 0.7. Then let's say 100, 300. Let's change this like so maybe. That's too fast, I think. I'm not sure. Still too fast. But it looks very, 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 very bad. I think it's because of this first. This should be a problem, but now... Yeah, now it's more... Now it's better. I think now it's actually kind of fine. Real talk. So then let's add some more like camera shake maybe. But the walking looks pretty fine to me. Maybe let's add some more shaking to the roll. Let's add some rotation. Okay. I ask in the Discord and also on the YouTube community tab if you want a new first-person tutorial series, and yeah, the answers are pretty clear. So I don't really know when I'm gonna start, but I think I'm gonna start planning for the videos today, maybe even in the live stream. Yeah, so maybe let's also, but no, that would be a, yeah, okay, so that's fine. So let's say when we're in air. So how's it called? Is fallen. Talking. Dreaming. So true means 1 and 0 means 0. And false means 0. So let's invert it. So now it should stop playing when we're jumping, and that's right. So then I'm gonna add a landing dip and a jump animation, also procedural. But now we get a nice walk-in animation, a procedural walk animation that should work on every weapon and every animation. So that's very, very, very nice. I love procedural animations. I think I'm gonna change it a little more later, but for now it's a basic and a walk animation that is okay. I really like the weapon slayer, but I hate this thing when you turn, and I hate this really weird bug. Bro, I'm feeling like dying. I was up till 3 AM last night trying to make my map stuff on Blender and got... Oh, okay. But, what do you have? So, can you send something in the Discord? Show me. So, how about we, let's... I don't really know how to fix this bug, right? So, as you can see, when I move down, I move back up. My hands are in a different position. When I look up, then they're in the red again. Legit nothing, I was just messing around trying to learn. Ah, okay, so have you watched a tutorial for learning Blender? Yeah, so there are some pretty good ones on YouTube. If you want to learn, so based on what you want to learn, so 3D modeling, texturing, animating, and all this stuff. Okay, so here now let's compare. So I have two characters right now. I have this character that is made with ALS, and I have the character from yesterday, from the live stream from yesterday, and that is this one. Wait, let me open it up. This one, and that is not made with ALS basically. Yeah, but yeah, it's made with the ALS animations here, just for the legs, but not the animation blueprint from ALS. So let's start. Oh, that's the wrong one, I think. let's start with the pack from yesterday. So you can see the aiming and everything is fine. The aiming, turnaround, everything is fine. We have no bugs. We don't have this bug with our hands that they're in the wrong position when I move down, and we have the nice weapon sway, but the animations look crappy. That's just horrible. And we have no turning. We have, yeah, it's just not that nice. So now let's compare it to the one I made today. You can see we have a different weapon sway. We have the same weapon sway, but it looks different because of the spine rotation, which is not nice. But we can see we have ALS, and that looks very, very cool. Do you have an ADS anim? So when right now I have no ADS, but when I would add ADS, I don't want to create an animation for it. I will create a procedural ADS. That means so procedural animations are not really an animation. It's animation made with code. So I just can detect the aim point from my pistol here, and then I just can move my hands to the center of my camera, and then it's basically aiming. So I don't have to create a huge amount of ADS animations for every weapon. So this will be pretty easy. And so the code is yeah, it's actually pretty easy, I think, and easier than create thousands of animations. So for example, wait, so you move the gun to the center. For example, I've made a procedural animation in this live stream today. So wait, here's my character, and I have this graph here, procedural graph, and this is, for example, this is one procedural animation. So as you can see here, I have a timeline, and here is that is for walking animation. So it's not a really procedural animation, this one. It's more than a half procedural animation, I think, because of the graph. But you could create a really procedural one if you just, for example, here's my weapon, and then oh wait, my smartphone. I just create a socket in my pistol here. Let me just create the socket, and that is the aim point, and I put this aim point right there. Right there where my iron sights are. So then in code I can track this aim point there, and then I can calculate the distance from this point to the center of my camera, and then the value I get, I just add this value to my arms, and then so to my hands, and then my hands will move to this exact position and will basically make it look like an iron sight animation. How about we add some more rotation, I think. So let's... How about we... Wait, yeah, I don't know right now. Okay, so let's add a new variable. Walking offset rotation. Like so. Then let's create another lerp. And let's go with the left and right. So let's take a look at our rotation here. So first let's put this into a comment and say procedural walk-in animation. Like so. Then let me copy this transform here. Yeah, so for example, my walk-in animation here that I have, I only have to create this walk-in animation once, and then it will work for every weapon and every other animation that I'm using. It's also pretty easier, and it will look more realistic when you basically have, for example, a reload animation. And normally in the reload animation you have no walk-in type of moving thing. So without this procedural walk-in animation, the gun will just stay and the arms will just stay, or I have to create a second reload animation for walking. So it's just very, very easy and makes my life so much easier. And you can change the values every time, and you can create randomness effects if you want, so it's really, really, really nice. I really love procedural animations, and they are just nice. So yeah, then let's get the walk-in offset rotation. I might learn how to do that. Yeah, there are some tutorials on YouTube, and also I'm planning to upload another so a new first-person tutorial series, which is more updated and more easy to understand, and just more in order. And maybe I'm also doing some procedural stuff there. Promote to variable, and then like so. That are my variables. Alright. Now let's implement the offset rotation like so. And then this should be fine. So now we can just change our values if you want to. And just play around a little bit with the rotation. So for example, let's set it up to 20 degrees. This will look funny, I think. Oh no, it's not working right now, I think. Should work. Oh, I forgot to set it up. So let's look which which is the right X. So say for Z. Okay, that is X. And I want to make the row, so let's do the Y. Okay. Wow, okay. That's cool. Looking pretty funny, right? Wow. How about let's call this before our Tubona K. There should be a difference, I think. Yeah, that's nice. So now the hands are, for example, the left hand is always attached. So now let's turn the value down, and then it should look more better. Yeah, that's nice, I think. Maybe let's try -2. I don't know which one is better. Let's say, I think just 2 is better, not the -1. I think I like that. I really love the advanced locomotion system, so I'm working with this right now. You can see I just made the top part, so this part here of the mannequin, of the character. I made the animations here, and the legs are just the advanced locomotion system, and it's looking so nice. Did you edit this model? No, it's just I just changed the colors here to red. Okay. Nice. You can see the weapons way here. You can also see the walking animation here. It's funny how the torso isn't moving, right? Let's change that later. But I think it's just the perspective right now, so let's look if it's even replicated, or I think I have to replicate it. Wait a minute. What's wrong with this? Oh, okay. Yeah, I had the bug before. I don't know. Is the pistol the run from the black and silver and black packs? No, the pistol is from the FPS Handguns Volume 4 or Volume 1. I think it was... I'm not quite sure right now. But let me check. It's this pistol here, but so normally this pistol isn't rigged in the pack. But I've rigged it, and I think it's this one here. Yeah, it's this one. I'm gonna go now. I'll be back soon. I'm in the crowd. Nice. Okay. So, bye bye. Oh man, I have to replicate all of those features later. Okay, that's still very buggy. How about we also... wait. Alright, I don't know. Oh my god, I hate this. I hate this a lot, yeah. That's not nice. And also this bug. Okay. I think the walk-in animation, the procedural walk-in animation is okay for now. I like it. So let's leave it like so. And then I have to add procedural jumping animations. Procedural crouch animation. Damn, what's wrong with these ankles? They should automatically change, but they're not changing here. The position. Here. Join target location. And then we set it there. But it's not working. They are the same position. Let's try some other states out. I like this one for the feet. Or this one. No, that's not good. It's also not good. I think I like the rifle one. I really have to disable the held object thing. So this is looking nice. But not this. This isn't. But let's see. Barrel, binoculars, torch. Yeah, rifle is the best. And there's just the animation for the feet. Welcome, Osama. Okay, so now let's fix this stupid bug there. When I look down, my weapon is in the wrong pose again, and only when I look up, it's back there. And And after, how about we let's try it out with the camera manager first. Maybe this is the bug. So let's set the minimum pitch to -90 and set the maximum pitch to 90. Oh, what's wrong now? Wait, what? That's still fine, I think. Even it's looking pretty unhealthy, but one problem is I think I know the problem. This problem here. But I only think. But I don't know how to fix it. No, I don't know the problem. So the bug is still there. Okay. So let's go ahead and search the pitch. That's fine, but that's also fine. 30, 60, 90, yeah, that's fine. Then in the enum graph, first, where's my variable here? Pitch. And then for the pitch, for the spine rotation, okay, -30 and 20, so 10 degrees aren't there. Onto the 3 spines. Then for the arm rotation, so when this is more than 20, so this isn't moving anymore, and this is more than 20, then we will remove or subtract 20. Oh yeah, okay, I understand. Because otherwise it will be will snap down, because we still use the rotation that we used on the spine. Yeah, okay. So then it just okay, let me print out the pitch to check. Minus 30. 30. That's right. Because we have 3 spines and 30 yeah, 30 times 3 is 90, so 90 degrees, because we layer the 90 degrees on 3 spines so it's smooth. Yeah, but looks like that my arms... Are my arms not moving right, or are my... Is my... No, it looks like my arms are moving right. Wait. Yeah. So how about we take a look at the arm thing here, or maybe even the hands. Alright, I'll be right back in 5 to 10 minutes, I think. Alright. I'm back. What do you call the spine's rotation when the player looks up or down? Pitch. That's the pitch. Alright. I don't know how to fix this bug. So, alpha's 1. Maybe not 20, maybe 10 minus, no, not minus 10. Okay, that should be fine. Let's look here, and it's 20 there, then it should go down, right? Alright, I can see something. When it's down there, wait. So, and then it's down there. It's weirdly moving down. Even if I'm not looking anymore, so let's maybe try out 10. No. Okay, 20 is right, but let's clamp it maybe. So clamp. What? Clamp. Like so. Like this. And let's try it out. No. Still. Here when I'm here at this point, then it's weirdly moving. Cause at this point only my arms are moving. And my camera. But at this point my camera isn't moving, but my arms a little bit. So okay, I see something. I see a little problem. So maybe it's really something with a minimum or the maximum pitch. Um, 90. Nope. So let's clamp it more. Let's clamp it at 20. No. Maybe minus 20. Oh wait. Is it the red? Yeah, it's the red blueprint, okay. Because I have two ones. Okay, I don't know, but the clamp does not anything red. So when I clamp it at 10, it's still doing this. So it should stop, but it's not. That makes no sense. That actually makes no sense. Okay, now. But it's still moving down. Oh no, it's not, Oh my god, I hate this. Oh my god, I hate this so much. That's so... Oh, I hate this. So how about we just let's try something out for the for this. So let's just say let's copy this, then let's paste it here, and then let's copy these 3 nodes. How about we just use 2 maybe? No, not in there. Make rotator. Sorry, I didn't mean that. When the bones rotate. So you didn't mean pitch? Just spine rotation, it's up or down looking. Okay, let's try this out. So now the 2 spines are rotating when I look up or down. Oh, okay, I'm at the wrong axis. Okay, that's right. Oh god. Okay, it actually looks way better than before. Yeah, it looks way better than before. But one problem is still there. When I turn, and it's flickering. But not that much. When here it's not flicking that much. But when I look up, then it's flickering. Yeah. How does it look when I look to the left or right? Okay, let me place the camera, or let me place a 3rd camera. Well, let me just modify this camera here. So now you can see only the first, the second and the third spine are moving to the left and to the right. So in the mannequin, this is the first spine, this is the second one, and up there is the third one. And for the up and down, we use all of the three, but for left and right, just the two. And it's nearly perfect. It's not perfect, but I really hate this flickering thing when we're turning in place. And we still get this bug, right? Yeah. Still have this stupid bug. I don't know why. Maybe let's clamp it more. In here. So let's say 25. Oh, the aim offset. Oh, okay. Yeah. So minus 30, and here, wait. I think I have to set it like something like 28. It's also weird when I look to the top. Let's add some more pitch view max. Wait, the max is down, right? No, the max is up, okay. Then let's change it to 85. And then we don't have this stupid bug. Then let's just change it to 89. Okay. Maybe I have to clamp it. Maybe I have to clamp it here. So. No. 89. 29.6. You got the turn in place working. No, I'm using ALS now. So I've changed the blueprint, and now I'm using the ALS NM blueprint here, and it's working fine together with my first person part. Okay, so now I see something weird again, but it's just because of the camera angle, I think, because camera angle, I think, because my camera is attached to my face. So when I move, yeah, that's looking normal, I think. Okay. But we still have this stupid bug with my weapon. So let's change that. How about we just try it out and do it like so? Then what? Oh yeah, he is moving the arms, right? But I think it's not that bad. It's not looking that bad. So I think I can just disable the arm rotation here. Just do it like so, I think. Right? We still can see down there. That my arms are still moving somehow. What? Spine. That's from the weapons way. What's that? Oh, that's for ALS, okay. That's not used. And this is for procedural walking. So that's weird. That's for all right. So my body isn't moving anymore, right? Or wait. Down there. What? I don't really understand. My camera isn't moving anymore, but my character is. So that means either my camera has a limited... Oh wait, my smartphone, my mobile. Either my camera is limited too much, or my spine rotation is too much. So the range of my spine rotation is too much. So first let's test it out with view, pitch, minimum. Minus 90. Okay, still a problem. So then it must be the spine rotation. So for a max, let's say 25. Nope. 20. 29. Um, 28. What's... No. 28.5. But it's still what? There, but when I move it up, then it's still, so here it's in the right position, but when I move it up, then, oh my god, my brain is dead. Let's try it. Oh, what? That's... Oh god, my brain. $27. Actually makes no sense. It makes no sense. It makes 0 sense. Here, my camera's moving, but my body isn't. But when I look up, oh my god. What? Let's change everything back to normal like it was before. And then we still got this, right? I don't understand. 90 divided by 3 is 30. So we use minus 30 and 30. Makes sense. We clamp it. Makes sense. And let's change this, baby. Oh. It makes no freaking sense. Maybe because of this? Why are you setting this 2 times? Wait. Was that the problem? No. Oh. Oh man. Okay, so I don't have an idea. So I have to clamp the... Yeah, I have to clamp Of course I have to go. Oh, did it by the yaw, okay. 25. So, but that's too much. Then 28. Is not okay, it's still a little bit offset. So 28.5. But it's still not right. What is when I turn it up? Oh, okay, so doesn't really matter. It's just okay. Oh god, this is fucking with my brain. So, 28. And then I have to set this also to 28, right? It looks fine down there, but up there, there's still wrong. Something wrong. Then let's change this to 28. 28. Let's change this to, yeah, I don't know, let's try it out. But up there everything is fine. But down there I have no idea why. Okay. 29. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's better than before. Oh, that's the rectal. Oh. Wow. Okay. I think I pressed the wrong button. What the... What is he even doing? I think my gun has collision. No. I don't know. Is there any way to make the hands follow the recoil of the gun? I mean, yeah, if you want to create a hand IK, then this should be no problem. But normally you just animate your hands with a recoil animation, or yeah, so your gun is attached to your hands and then your hands play the recoil animation. That's much easier. Okay, but I hate this. I hate this flickering. It drives me crazy. And this, oh, also this. Alright, I don't know. The project is nice, but there's many bugs right now. And I'm going off now. So, thanks for watching, thanks to everyone in the chat, and so I don't know when I wanna release the new first person tutorial series, but in a few days, I think. So yeah. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Bye bye.